Hello everyone, today we will cook the 10 most popular pizzas over the last 100 years. Let's see how they have changed over time and track their evolution. Let's start with the 1920s. At that time, marinara pizza was the most popular in Italy. Yeast dough was used for this, but Italians do not use a rolling pin, but their hands. Simply stretch the dough ball to the desired size. So there was a lot more bubbles in the dough. Not a simple tomato sauce is used here, but a marinara sauce. It has a more complex taste and aroma as it contains capers and anchovies. Done. Then dried oregano was added. Garlic. It was either finely chopped, as I am now, or simply sliced and spread on the pizza. That's it, you can go outside, because a real pizza in Naples was cooked in a wood-burning oven. Therefore, we're going to do the same. But before you put the pizza, you need to take the hot coals a little bit. And we send the marinara pizza to the oven. After 20 seconds, we turn it over, since the heat is much stronger near the coals. And after another 20 seconds, we take it out. All that remains is to add fresh basil, and the marinara pizza is ready. You can cut it up. It looks like a very simple pizza. You need to evaluate how it tastes. Delicious, but very simple. I'll give it 4 out of 10. The 1930s. At that time, the most popular pizza in Italy was the margarita pizza. It all starts with the dough. In Italy, it is often stretched by weight. The pizza base is ready. The classic tomato sauce for pizza is used here. And the iconic mozzarella cheese. It is very soft and fibrous, so it is simply cut into pieces with your hands. And we send the margarita pizza to the oven. The stones in the oven are so heated that after a minute the dough is ready, and the filling is just boiling, so you can take it out. And of course, add some basil. And the 1930s margarita pizza is ready. Let's cut it into pieces. And let's try. This is the taste of Italy in its purest form, one of my favorite pizzas, 9 out of 10. In the 1940s, pizza capriosa was invented. It was served to sailors on the island of Capri during military maneuvers, and it became very popular. The dough was spread with ordinary tomato sauce. For the toppings, mushrooms. They were cut into thin slices. And they spread it on the pizza. Next is the ham. It was also cut into thin slices and evenly laid out. We take the olives out of the jar and cut them into circles. And we are already distributing them out. And the most delicious ingredient is artichoke. It's a very nice vegetable. We also cut it up and add it to the pizza. Next, according to the classics, we break and lay out some mozzarella cheese. And that's it, the pizza is assembled and you can send it into the oven. 2 minutes later, everything is ready. Now we just need to add fresh basil. That's it, you can slice it. And try it. To be honest, I haven't tried this before. It's a very tasty pizza. It deserves a 9 out of 10. The 1950s. The 4-cheese pizza was invented and became just mega popular. The base is the dough. Next come mozzarella cheese. This is one of the few pizzas where sauce is not used at all. The next cheese is pecorino. Sprinkle that on the pizza. The third cheese is Parmesan, grated on a grater. And the last 4th cheese is called gorgonzola. We break it into pieces and spread it out evenly. That's it, you can send it to the stove. After 3 minutes, we take it out. And we serve it. It's ready. Now we just have to slice it up. And we try it. This is an incredibly delicious and rich pizza. I feel free to give it 10 out of 10. 1960s. Pepperoni pizza was considered the most popular in this decade. A classic dough to which classic tomato sauce was added. And the most popular for the pizzas is mozzarella cheese. And pepperoni sausages. That's it, you can send it into the oven. After 4 minutes, we're left with this type of beauty. By the way, pepperoni pizza is considered the most popular pizza in the entire world. Let's cut it up. And let's try. Yes, the very tasty pizza that everybody knows. But for me, it's always a little too salty because of the sausages. I'll give it 9 out of 10. The 1970s. At this time, pizza season 4 is getting mega popularity in Italy. In Naples, it was made from classic yeast dough. A classic tomato sauce is applied to it. Mozzarella cheese. It seems that pizza margarita is the basis for all other pizzas in Italy, because every new pizza starts with these ingredients. Next, mushrooms. We spread the slices of 1/4 on the pizza. Parmesan cheese. Sprinkle it only on the mushrooms. Ham. We put it into the other 4 sections. The 3rd section is filled with pepperoni. And the 4th one is artichoke. Olives. And capers. That's it. Now pop it in the oven. Three minutes later, we take it out. It turned out to be really beautiful. Now we just need to top it with basil. And we cut up the 4 Seasons pizza. I decided to try 2 flavors at once. And in my opinion, making such a varied pizza was just a brilliant idea. I give it 10 out of 10. The 1980s. Italians who migrated to the United States came up with Hawaiian pizza, which became popular all over the world. According to the classics, the dough was on the shoulder, put the tomato sauce on the base. This pizza used American cheddar cheese and solid mozzarella. We send it just to the pizza. Ham. And of course, canned pineapples. That's it, we push it into the oven. The pizza is ready. Oh, how I love these lush sides on the pizza from the oven. Cut it into pieces. And let's try it. To be honest, this is my favorite pizza. It is just divine. I'm gonna give it 10 out of 10. 1990s. Pizza al salmone has become super popular in Italy. Cooking begins as in other pizzas while the dough. Cream sauce is used instead of tomato sauce and spread it all over the dough. Next, we take the most neutral of all, mozzarella cheese. Be sure to use fresh salmon, not salted or smoked. Also, for even more creaminess, I add cream cheese. And into the oven. It's been 5 minutes and the pizza is ready. Write in the comments if you've tried this pizza. All that's left to do is sprinkle it with green onions. And chop it up. Well, let's try the pizza al salmone. I liked it a lot, the delicate creamy taste and the salmon. I give it 9 out of 10. The 2000s. Then the spicy diavola pizza became very popular in Italy. And like any other pizza, starts with the dough. You will already need some hot sauce here, so add quite a lot of it to the tomato sauce and mix. That's it, you can smear it around. Mozzarella cheese. Spicy pepperoni, spicy little sausages. Jalapeno pepper, and 1 hot pepper. We send it into the oven. After 5 minutes, a very nice pizza turned out. I wonder how spicy it is. A couple of strokes in the form of basil, and cut it up. Well, let's check it out. A hot pizza with a good pungency that even tingles the lips. It is fun. I give it 8 out of 10. The 2010s, an innovative pizza with pear and gorgonzola has appeared in Italy. As usual, we make the base from the dough. For sauces, squeeze sweet mustard into a bowl. You will also need honey. Add it to the mustard. And a little olive oil. And mix the sauce together. We lubricate the dough with it. The next step is to pick apart some mozzarella cheese. Then the pear. Cut it into thin but wide slices. And spread it out evenly. We will also add some gorgonzola cheese. And finally, some walnuts. That's it, pop it into the oven. When it turns brown, we can take it out. The pizza with pear and gorgonzola is completely ready. Let's slice it up. And try it. This is a very tasty combination of sweet pear and gorgonzola cheese. A confident 10 out of 10. And if this video gets 150,000 likes, then the next video will be called Shawarma Now versus 100 years ago. Also subscribe to the channel and watch this playlist. Bye everybody!